Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe so that you will be getting all the latest updates. Uh, as and As you all knew that I have been taking trainings on Google Cloud for a good amount of time, and I take trainings on in Telugu basically. Okay, but as I'm getting many requests from various other audience to take trainings in English, so I'm planning to start a new batch. Okay, which is getting started from March 12th. Okay, it will start from March 12th, the upcoming Sunday, and this batch will be in English only, so that people who doesn't understand Telugu, I mean, they can happily join this batch. Okay, just want to give in this video, I'll be giving the complete details about the batch timings and all, right? And firstly, as I mentioned, it will be starting from 12th of this March, and the timings would be like 6 p.m. Okay, the first day will be like March 12th, and we'll be having 6 p.m. This will be the first session. And the regular timings would be like 6 to 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Okay, so the people who are from abroad, the timing will be convenient for them as well. Okay, and this batch will be in English. Okay, and this would be like a batch 15 of a Google Cloud, along with all the GCP DevOps topics as well. Okay, so let me show you the link and all. Here is the meeting link. Okay, so the trainings will be conducted in the Zoom sessions, and there is no registrations required for that. You can directly use this URL and directly log into the session on the 12th of this month, and the timing should be 6 p.m. Okay, and if you have any doubts or issues during the time of joining, you can directly contact me or ping me, and I'll be keeping all these details in the description of the video. And coming to the other details like curriculum and all, I'll be keeping those details as well. And if you want to have a glimpse of the previous trainings and all, you can happily watch them in the references videos. Okay, it will be routing you to the respective Google Cloud playlist, and here you can see all the videos with respect to Google Cloud. And if you go inside my channel, there will be respective videos with for Google Cloud, Kubernetes, and various other technologies as well. Right. Coming to this topic like Google Cloud, let me open the curriculum once, and I will not be giving the complete details right away because anyhow in the first session we will be discussing about each and every topic that we'll be discussing and what is covered and what not is covered, so that I'll be keeping those on the 12th of March itself. But to give a very high level overview, we will be discussing completely on the Google Cloud topics, coming to admin, infra, architect, as well as GCP DevOps also. Okay, so these are the overall topics that we will be covering on, and we will be taking each and every topic scenario based only. So we will be assuming that we just joined a company, right? And how the actual work will be, and how we will be getting the requests and all, and how the actual infrastructure will look like. Okay, so the complete training will be on the hands-on only, and this will be completely scenario based. And few areas will be touching the projects as well, like how to connect for Cloud Run. We'll be taking a Spring Boot framework application, and from there we'll be connecting to respect to backend solutions and try to access from a URL. So the similar way, there are multiple mini projects we can say. At the same time, every topic will be covered on a scenario based only. Like I mentioned, we will be starting from the very basics, assuming that you don't know anything about cloud. And from there our journey starts, and we'll be setting up the account initially, and from then we'll be going into the each and every topic detailed. The very high level topics are mentioned in this content. I'll be sharing this in the description as well. But anyhow, on the first day I'll be discussing completely about each and every topic that we'll be discussing in the content as well. Right, and you can have a look at it once. I'll be keeping it in the description as well. Yeah, so one thing is like as you all know, like GCP is one of the most demanded and most demanded in the complete cloud era, like compared to Amazon and Azure. As the resources are very short, the demand is good. At the same time, I have seen many students getting placed from various other batches as well till now, and the highest package noted till now is like around 39 LPA. Okay, for one of the student from the last couple of batches. So the demand is good. If we try to spend a good amount of hours and if you practice on a day-to-day basis, getting into cloud is very easy. At the same time, compared to other clouds as well, Google has a much edge compared to Amazon and Azure. And if you have any doubts with respect to choose a career in Google Cloud and how is it good when compared to Amazon and Azure, you can directly join the first session and we can have an interactive session so that I will try to clear as many doubts as you have, right? And lastly, as I mentioned, this will be a weekend batch basically. Okay. And the timings will be 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time. And the sessions will be starting from March 12th, 6 p.m. And the link to join the session is the Zoom link, which I'll be keeping here. Okay, in the description as well. And if you have any doubts, you can call me or ping me at the respective number. And if you want to go to my YouTube channel, this is my YouTube channel. Okay, you can go to all the videos till it and you can have a look at it once, right? Okay, then see you in the first session of March 12th. Yeah, thanks everyone.